Please give graphs number 1. If I enter, is it okay? Then the scale location, and then the residual versus range. Is it okay? Is it okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here we complete our regression. Up till this, any problem, any difficulty, कोई भी
No, sir.
दिक्कत है, you tell me.
No, sir.
So this is like we have completed up till this part. ग्राफ वाला पार्ट हमने ऑलरेडी बीच में कवर कर लिया
था. हाँ सर, समझ तो आ गया, एटलीस्ट ड्रग्स तो मिल गया ना कि वो कैसे प्लॉट कैसे होते हैं जो.
Right. So I would like to know your feedbacks, which I will record. Yes, like I have done my previous feedbacks also. How you feel about my workshop? What is your feedback? I would really appreciate if you switch on your camera and speak, or if you directly say like I'm okay with it. So if you want to share your feedback, how it is going on, I would like to definitely put this thing in my YouTube channel. So please share your feedbacks, and I will share other things also where you can put my feedbacks on Google and other things. Please let me know if any problem, any big things I need to improve. I'm okay for it.
So you have explained everything in a very good manner and made us understand all the basics which are required. I was not expecting this. Just a minute. I was not at all expecting this, that we would be able to learn all these statistics, advanced statistics within span of 4 days. But yes, we have.
Thank you, ma'am. So anything improve you want me to improve?
No, nothing. I don't think, because you have covered everything, and the best part is that whatever you did, we were able to understand that. So I don't think any improvement is required. But yes, if you will increase it for one more day, then maybe the practice session can be further included.
Okay. I will definitely.
Maybe, but 5 days again. How many people would be interested to go in for 5 days session? That is also questionable.
Yeah, that is a subject.
People do not have the patience actually.
Yes, I understand. Anything, your feedback, sir? Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. I really appreciate your dedication and passion towards teaching, and in particular, not postponing anything. Even you have extended half an hour today to complete the syllabus, which a real dedicated person would emit such behaviors. And really, your session has kindled our learning towards R, and definitely we will be participating in more such programs conducted by you. Really interesting. Thank you so much for your contribution, sir.
And you'll see me there in the NVivo workshop also. Yeah, I like this workshop so much that I would be there in that workshop also.
So nice of you. What I shared you just now,